world of construction vehicles. Today, we meet a big, strong, but very cute guy. That is Ben Truckman, the hero who is super good at transporting sand, rocks, and gravel.
Hello everyone, I'm Z Ben, a close friend of construction workers. Every day, I run hard on the road, carrying very important things. Sand, rocks, gravel. Do your kids love dump trucks like I do?
With your dump truck, we build a city. The roads are wide and the houses are tall, sand and gravel already.
Hello, little friends. Next, we will meet a very special friend, tall, strong, and extremely skillful. That is the super long crane, a multi-function giant in construction.
Hello kids, I am a crane. My task is to lift, move, and place heavy objects up high or to the right position in the construction site. Do you like crane trucks as much as I do?
Hey, crane, oh crane, raise your hands high. Hey, crane.
Hello, little friends. Next, we will meet a super strong, super talented, and super hardworking friend in the world of construction vehicles. That is Excavator Man, can man Earth Digger.
Hello everyone, I'm an excavator, but my close friends often call me Super Kid Excavator. Every day, I am responsible for digging soil, shoveling sand, loading rocks, and cleaning up the construction site to prepare for building houses, roads, and many more important things.
The excavator guy works very hard to build the cut up there. Turn around and stretch out your arms. Where do the sand?
Hello, children. Next, we will meet a friend as round as a giant egg, running on the road and carrying extremely important things. That is Tank Truckman, expert in carrying water, oil, cement, and many other things.
Hello everyone, I'm Z Bon. My common name is Bon 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 Bon. I don't shovel, I don't crane, I don't transport soil. I'm an expert in transporting liquids such as water, gasoline, or concrete.
Tank truck run all over the street, rain, full of clean water, either or some land. The project is clean, beautiful and spacious, round top rolls on wheel on the road. There was no noise at all. If you think the job is really good, raise your hand and wave enthusiastically. Oh,
Hello, lovely little friends. Next, we will meet a guy who is both strong and agile, and also has a big smile in front of him. That's it, the Dumpler brother, a fun friend who specializes in moving materials as fast as lightning.
Hello everyone, I'm a dumper, but my close friends often call me Flying Flint. My mission is shovel sand, rocks, and gravel from the ground. Pour materials into the dump truck or compactly place them where they are needed. And I even helped clean up the construction site.
loaders and dumpers, scuba, bucket, we
friends. Next, we will get to know a construction guy who is very skillful, very gentle, and especially can lift people up very high without climbing ladders. Introducing the forklift man, the friend WHO takes us to the sky.
Hello everyone, I'm a forklift. Anyone who needs to work at height, just call me. My job is sending workers up to high places to install lights, fix roofs, hang signs, paint walls. Helps work safely in places where ladders often cannot reach. You can go very high, but still keep your bell.